And you can glitterize them.
Mommy, can we please borrow the glitterizer?
This has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Anybody have any idea what she just said?
I believe she was speaking in an ancient language.
Nope. She said Nature Cat is streaming now, free on PBS Kids.
I'm a little nervous.
I'm mad at today!
We all have big feelings sometimes.
So, what should we do?
When you feel sad, frustrated, or worried, you can try taking deep breaths.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Or talking to a grown-up.
When we talked about it, it helped me feel better.
Now I'm ready to figure this out.
And you can too, with your favorite friends from PBS Kids. Streaming now.
Pinkalicious and Peterific is made possible in part by...
Keep curiosity running. Kitty Academy Educational Childcare.
As a parent, you childproof everything. Well, almost everything. You may not have thought about one thing, and that's securing your dressers and chests to the wall. It helps avoid dangerous tip-over accidents.
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
At PBS Kids, we know there's a first time for everything.
It's your first loose tooth.
From your first snowfall
Woohoo!
to your first day of school.
I can't wait for school today.
From your first time flying a kite
Whoa!
to your first time on a bike.
I'm doing it!
New experiences make growing up an adventure.
Because new adventures are exciting.
Just like the adventures you can have with all your favorite PBS Kids friends. Streaming now or anytime, free on PBS Kids.
Come home to PBS Kids and...
Hey, everyone!
Molly of Denali.
Good morning!
Trini, Tui, and...
Hi!
Molly. Best friends.
Welcome to Kaya.
Ordinary adventures.
We're a team.
Ordinary families.
Now let's get cooking.
And the extraordinary place they call home.
It's beautiful.
Molly of Denali on PBS Kids.
Weekdays at 1 p.m. here on KVCR.
We thank you, grandfathers and grandmothers, for guiding our young ones to keep our ways and pass them on. Aho.
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 In order for you to know where you're going, you have to know where you've been, you know.
Top way.
So I need to talk to the people if I am going to know about where I came from.
Weekdays at 1:30 p.m.
Eleanor Wonders Why is made possible in part by...
This holiday season is going to be busy. It's going to be emotional, but it's going to be worth it. McCormick, proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
And Funded by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Wherever I go, I see things that I want to know. Wherever I am, I find things I want to understand. Go and explore, listen and see. Just follow your curiosity. Eleanor wonders why. Why do birds sing and how do they fly? Eleanor wonders why. Why do ants march and where do they hide? There's so much to learn wherever you turn. Just listen and see and follow your curiosity. Eleanor wonders why. Ask a question, what will you find? Eleanor wonders why. Just listen and see, come and wander with me. Bird song.